What's going on, y'all? It's Brianna and welcome back to another hair video. So today I will be showing y'all how I moisturize another one of my protective styles. So today we're working with the mini braids, and before we get into this YouTube video, I just wanted to say thank y'all for so much love and support on my recent hair videos. I've really just been trying to go hard for y'all. So if you haven't checked out the recents, what is you doing? Go ahead and click all the links down below to see my hair journey and what I've been up to recently in the past week or so. Also, if you have any hair video requests that you want to see me do on my YouTube channel, go ahead and comment down below and let your girl know so I can get right to it. And without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get right into the video. So first and foremost, did want to mention that my hair actually curls up by itself. So it's like a natural curl, y'all. Honestly, I used to hate it, but it kind of works in my favor now. Anyway, so the first thing that I do to keep my mini braids moisturized is I gotta oil it. So personally, my oil is in this Do Grow bottle, but I do use my own oil. Okay, so I have a small business where I actually sell hair growth oil. So that is what is in this bottle. If you want to check it out. I'll leave the link to my website and this hair oil down below. And we're just gonna go ahead and oil her up straight down the middle. And I used to let her soak in by herself, but I don't like to do that no more because it starts running down the front of my forehead. If you're a natural, you definitely know exactly what I'm talking about. I be having oily forehead, and that's not the move. That's not the move at all. So I'm go ahead and oil mostly the front, and then I just kind of lightly massage it, and then after that I do the same on this side. I oil mostly the front and massage it in a little bit. Massage the front, and then from there I kind of just like go in random places in the back of my head and start massaging it, but I mostly just try to get like the perimeter of my hair. It's only been I think like 4 days since I've had these mini braids in, so like my hair's not like mad dry, but it is time to oil it because it's starting to get a little itchy. If you know, then you definitely know the deal. After I'm done oiling, I just like to lightly massage my hair, and what this actually does for your natural hair is it enforces and motivates your cuticles to actually start moving around. So it promotes your hair particles to actually like stimulate for hair growth and all of that good stuff. So it's always good to like massage after you oil, or like while you're putting in a style or whatnot, all that good stuff. But I don't want to be too rough about it because then I'm just gonna create like a bunch of frizz, and like we're not doing that. So after I'm fully finished oiling all of my scalp around the perimeter and in just random spots all around my head, I go in with a little bit of leave-in conditioner, and I use this leave-in from African Pride. Olive Miracle leave-in conditioner, the one with the brown top on it. And I'm not gonna get like a super like fat glob just because again my hair is not at all dry like that. I just do this to keep it moisturized, so I'm gonna get about that size amount and go ahead and distribute onto the braids like that. And then I'm gonna get a little bit more, rub it into my hands and distribute on the other side. You really want to make sure that you're putting a lot of emphasis and not a lot of product, but really just getting your ends, because they are the oldest parts of your hair and they need the most attention because they tend to dry out the fastest. So make sure your ends are getting some love, y'all. Ends need love too, okay? They need love. And the next thing that I do after I'm done oiling and after I am done putting some leave-in conditioner in is styling. So we're gonna go ahead and style it. The past couple of days I've had like going back like that, and this kind of in the front, but I think I want to like pull up the front and do like a cute little style, a little shebang, you know what I mean? All right, so what I'm gonna do is I kind of want to have like a little bang-ish thing, if that makes sense. So I'm actually going to I'm gonna leave these two fronts out, and then I'm going to like pull these up, and I'm gonna see how that looks and see if I like that. I actually low-key like pre-planned this, so I'm gonna leave one of these down here, and let's see, yeah, that stays down there. And do I like that? Do I like it? Yeah, I like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it up. I got my little scrunchy scrunch, and I'm just going to put it into a pony. And I think I'm gonna make it like a semi-bun type of thing and see how that works out for me. Like that. Okay, we're cute. And I'm actually going to put a little bit more leave-in conditioner in the back, just because sometimes I don't fully get the back, and I just want to make sure that my hair is fully moisturized and we're good for like another week before I decide to take these braids out. And yeah, and then that's like that, and boom, I could put that back, I could put that back, or I could leave it out like this and like that. Boom, just like that, y'all. And that's pretty much it. Like, as simple as that. And that's pretty much that. I don't do the most. I just use oil and leave-in conditioner to make sure that any of my protective styles, mini twists, mini braids, cornrows, stuff like that, it gets moisturized the right way. And it's not doing the most. It's literally like 2 products, y'all. And that's about it. Like, we're done. I'm ready to walk out the door if I need to go somewhere, you know, which I actually do need to go somewhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out. I want to thank y'all so much for continuing to support me and watch my YouTube videos. I got more hair content on the way. Again, if you want to see me do a specific protective style or specific video on my YouTube channel right here, then go ahead and comment below and let your girl know so I can get those filmed and uploaded just for you. Thank you again for like the 3rd time for watching my video, and I hope to catch y'all in my next. Okay, bye guys.